some questions as to why Earth is such a popular place among the stars as far as its traffic and different entities coming here and whatnot. And you really have to understand the habitable zones of stars. Um, a habitable zone has a wide range, in the solar system. It depends on the star's size, and it depends on how much debris was in the solar system when it formed. In terms of how many planets are actually habitable planets are actually in that solar system. Now, there are different classes of habitable planets. Earth is a Class A habitable planet. The reason why it's a Class A habitable planet is because it's in I guess what they would call the sweet spot of habitable zones in the solar system, meaning that here you have every different type of weather possible on the planet. So whether you come from a planet that's traditionally cold, which is a little bit further out in the habitable zone, or a little warmer, which would be a little closer in the actual habitable zone, or in a general sweet spot like ours is, where you have every excuse me, where you have every type of weather and climate available that would they could come here and be comfortable in and survive in. Um, that's what you have here on Terra, and that's what makes it so popular. Because anybody can come from any type of planetary system and actually be able to survive here comfortably. And I mean, it depends on their ability to breathe here in this atmosphere and different things like that. But most creatures have a tolerance for breathing certain levels of oxygen, and that's a whole other kind of conversation that we can get into. But in terms of the popularity of Terra itself, is because it's a Class A habitable planet, and again, meaning that it has the most one of the top variances of climates that's acceptable for all entities that are coming here. All right.